पिछले दिनों मुंबई के ललित होटल में एपीआईसी द्वारा आयोजित थर्ड प्लास्टिक रिसाइकलिंग कॉन्फ्रेंस एशिया 2023 में अपनी खास भूमिका निभाने वाली देश की प्रतिष्ठित कंपनी आरआर प्लास्ट एक्सट्रूजन प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के सेल्स डायरेक्टर भूषण सोनार से रिसाइकलिंग के विभिन्न मुद्दों पर प्लास्टिक टुडे के एडिटर शिवेंद्र प्रकाश द्विवेदी ने विशेष बातचीत की।
Tell us about your company.
Bhushan Sonar, Sales Director, RR Plus Extrusion Private Limited, Mumbai, and I am speaking through today's event of Plastic Recycling Conference Asia 2023. And on this opportunity, I will be representing recycling industry as well as RR Plus into the recycling sectors. So now let's talk about RR Plus company, a plastic extrusion manufacturing company, a leader, a benchmark setter into extrusion lines, a company with 60,000 square meter setup area, a company with workforce of 300 plus people, a company having a capability to deliver 200 plus extrusion lines, a company which is delivering 60% export machines currently from India, and a company of 225 crore plus turnover from India into extrusion machineries. So with this we do 4 basic downstream extrusions. First sheet extrusion, second pipe, third thermoforming, and fourth recycling. And today I will focus on to the recycling sector.
What to say about this seminar?
Okay. Today, this is the third edition of Plastic Recycling Conference Asia, and this will be our first participation. Earlier two participation we were not there, we were not aware about the industry. But if you just try to take a sense of the air in the market from last 4-5 years, unbelievable growth, unbelievable change is happening into the plastic recycling. As we all know very well, plastic recycling in India is very big, but unfortunately it was unorganized, unplanned, and was getting done on very small sectors. Big players were only limited up to the fiber industry, and they were doing themselves for their own recycling. But if you check the track record of last 5-6 years, complete scenario has been changed. All the big players, governments, big investors are coming into the projects and putting up unbelievable projects into plastic recycling, and this will be a future of India. As you know, we have a biggest population in the world now recently, so our need is biggest, so consumption is going to be increased. If consumption is going to be increased, production required to be higher capability, and accordingly the blast waste will going to be more into the thing. So if you see all these points, recycling is going to be very vital role into the complete industry. And we know we are a part of this circular economy. Everybody believes in circular economy, and everybody has to be delivered into this part. So let me explain you about RR Plus contribution into this circular economy. We are doing rPET sheet extrusion line, where bottle flex to rPET sheet for the food grade application. We are doing rPET monofilaments or yarn applications. Again, it's from bottle flex to finished product. Then now recently we have developed rPET bottle flex to granules. Now this will be a new product into the market for the new applications, where we are also doing recycling of plastic yarns, monofilaments, and directly converted into granules. So this will be our part of the things. Another part I want to explain you, many of our small scale customers who are using our machines, they are a part of circular economy, they are a part of EPR system. Now one of our client in Bangalore is doing specially for Britannia packaging, and I can say proudly all these big Britannia biscuit wrappers are getting converted into granules, and later on he has converted into finished product of a leather pad. So this application he is promoting into the schools. So this is how the system is going to be the change. So we are here and we will be part of this recycling industry, and we will try to contribute as much as possible to get all our customers into EPR, supporting them in different ways and developing better technologies to give them enhancement into their finished products. As you know, anything which is well segregated, well cleaned and well converted into finished product has a good value. And RR Plus, their recycling machines will contribute this all significant into finished granules for my customers.
Thank you, Bhushan Shonak sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.